Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You need a modern iPhone with Face ID or Touch ID and current iOS. First, open Settings and go straight to Notifications so you control what appears. Once in Notifications, tap Show Previews. This is the core privacy control. Next, back out and open Face ID and passcode to ensure attention-aware features are enabled. These tie screen unlocking and preview visibility to whether you're looking at the phone, which reduces accidental exposure. Choose Show Previews Equals when unlocked to prevent content appearing on a locked display. Set it to Never for maximum secrecy. For individual apps like Messages and Mail, adjust their notification styles. Turn off banners, use Deliver Quietly, or disable lock screen and notification center access. Make sure Face ID attention-aware features are on in Face ID and passcode so previews stay hidden until you intentionally look at the phone. This reduces side glance exposure and keeps sensitive content private. Once done, lock the phone and test. Notifications should show no content unless unlocked by you. If you need a literal black screen for others, enable guided access and use accessibility options like Screen Curtain with VoiceOver, but those are niche. If previews still appear, restart the iPhone, toggle Show Previews, and recheck Face ID settings. Make sure iOS is updated. If problems persist, reset Face ID or contact support. This completes the settings-only approach to a privacy screen.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.